Issuadon, 18 octobre 2020-7h19 Rally Windows of City across France were expected Sunday in a show of solidarity and defiance following the decapitation of Atiché Outsidi School for showing pupil cartoon of the Prophet Mohammed. The beheading of history Tiché Samuel Paty in a Paris suburb Friday has sparked outrage in France and the memory of a wave of Islamist violence in 2015 sparked by caricature of the Prophet Mohammed published by the satirical magazine Charlie Hebdo. I absolutely important to show our mobilisation and our solidarity, our national cohesion. Éducation ministre Jean-Michel Blanquet all France 2. Calling on everyone to support the Tiché. On rally was at attack place à the place de la République in Paris, a traditional site of protester around 5 millions peuple démonstrateurs in 2015 following a deadly attack, on Charlie Hebdo office by Islamist Yemen. Rally were also expected in Lyon, Toulouse, Strasbourg, Nantes, Marseille, Lille and Bordeaux. Paty abandoned the target of online tree for showing the cartoon, with the fate of on Schulgier launching online call for mobilisation against him. France anti-terror prosecutor Jean-François Ricard. The 18-year-old suspect, named Abdullah K. was shot by police shortly after the attack. The Russian embassy in Paris, on Saturday says the suspect family a arrivé in France from Chechnya en Ouassi and requested asylum. The Schulgier fate and a non-Islamist militant Aramon du peuple arresté. Ricard says the Schul received 3 after the class in early October, each features the controversial caricature, one of the Prophet with the Gir fate accusing Paty of disseminating pornography. The aggrieved fate named Paty and gave the Schul address in a social media post just day before the beheading. Each président Emmanuel Macron a labellé en islamiste terror attack. Immersé in religion Ricard denounce if the attaque a annihilate the Schul, pupil or parent, or a acted independently in response to the online campaign. A witness said it was spotted at the Schul, on Friday afternoon asking pupil recall fin Paty. A photograph of Paty and a message confessing to him they were found on the Lasselan mobile phone. The prosecutor says the attaque a been armed with a knife, en ergun and 5 caniste. A fire show a police and try to stab them, at a close anonyme. While turn shown in time, c'est Ricard. Local in the Normandy town of Évreux the attaque live in the Madeleine district described him aloke. On no abanto shul with him se a become noticeably religious in Russia. Before, go involved in fig but for the last 2 or 3 years a calmed down and aban immersé in religion. Se. Friday attack was the second such incident since a trial started last month into the January 2015 massacre at the office of the Charlie Hebdo satirical magazine. Each a published caricature of the Prophet unleashed a wave of anger across the Islamic world. The magazine republished the cartoon in the run-up to the trial, and last month a young Pakistani man wounded to people with a clive outside Charlie Hebdo from Paris office. Ricard et Paty Murde illustrated the very level terrorist tri France style face. Macron très attaqué un self when known to the French intelligence service, says the prosecutor. En investigation is un des ou un murde l'inquiéto a terrorist organisation. The investigation will also look at we from a kun open by the attaque, and Saint-Sudon, to show a picture of Paty and describe Macron, as the leader of the infidel. Macron office say a national tribute will be held for Paty on Wednesday. On Saturday, hundreds of pupil, Tiché and parents flooded to Paty Schul to it rose. Some carrier placard stating I am Tiché and I am Samuel, et choisi I am Charlie Crit traveler around the world after the 2015 Charlie Hebdo killing. Martial, a 16-year-old pupil, c'est Paty a love his job, heureux allié wanted to shooting. According to parents and Tiché, Paty gave Muslim children the option to leave the classroom before show the cartoon, saying did no want feeling Virginie, 15, c'est Paty show the cartoon every year, a part of a discussion about freedom following the Charlie Hebdo attack. AFP